Here we are going to discuss question number 6 in this CSEC practice paper 1A. Here is the question, the previous question that we discussed. It was a question on the rearrangement of an equation to solve for the value of Q. And as you can see, I solved it for us. Square to cancel out the square root on both sides. You can look at it in the previous video. Multiply by Q plus T. Make sure you put Q plus T in a bracket to cancel it out. Then we expanded the bracket, multiplying by R squared, so that Q can be outside of the bracket. R squared by Q, R squared by T. And then we group up Q by cancel out R squared Q from the left side by subtracting. So now it is on the right side with Q. So now on the right side, you have Q minus R squared Q. Now we factor Q so that Q can appear only once. Factorization is the opposite of expansion, so your answer have to be involve brackets when you are factoring out. And then we divide by 1 minus R squared so that Q can be isolated. So Q now is equal to R squared T, 1 minus R squared. Now this one is a very simple one, I suppose. It says, what is the next prime number after 47? So that's basically, that's a breeze for AI. What is the next prime number after 47? Question mark, sorry. Now we know prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, one and itself. Okay. 49 is not a prime number because 7 is also a factor of 49, apart from 1 and 49. So that rules out 49. Okay, so what is the next one after 47? Okay. So let's see what AI has to say about that. So it says it's 53, and it gives us an explanation. The numbers immediately following 47 are checked for primality. 48 is an even number, divisible by 2. 49 is divisible by 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. 50 is an even number. 50 is a multiple of 2, 5, 10, etc. 25. 51 is divisible by 3. 3 times 17 is 51, so we're supposed to know that. 52 is an even number, divisible by 2. 53 is the only divisible by 1 and itself, making it the next prime number. Okay, so 53 is only divisible by 1 and itself. 53 has only two factors, 1 and itself. Okay, so that makes 53 as the answer. And the answer is B. Now, what you can do now also is to look up what are prime numbers. Okay. And get a list of them. Examples. Okay, prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and itself. Okay. So here you have a list of some of them. And it repeats, prime numbers are whole numbers greater than 1, divisible only by 1 and themselves. 2 is the first prime number. 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only one factor, 1. Okay. 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. So 2 is the first prime number. And it is the only even prime number. Okay. It says 2 being the smallest and only even prime number. So that's very interesting. So the answer is B.